Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so yesterday the market came down really nicely. In the room, my two volatility levels that I put out in the room every day, on the upside it was 1273, and on the downside it was 1262.75. So we got a really nice move down into that lower level, and just a really nice 10-handle bounce there. And it stalled out up around 74.5. 73 gave you a pretty good exit. And we've been bumping up against that 73 area, 73, 73.5 during the overnight trade. It pulled back pretty sharply off the Europe Open to test 1261, 1260, and moved back up to about 1272.5. Still couldn't take out 1273. And now we're back down. Current trade is 1266.25. So for the bulls, the first area that they have to deal with is 1273. They've got to deal with 1273, and beyond that, 1278. And we'll get into the specific resistance levels in a second. But just remember, tomorrow is jobs, and today's trade. If the bulls get it in gear today and start to run it up into these higher resistance levels, especially beyond 1280, you have got to be very wary of the jobs report in the morning becoming a sell the news event. Okay, that's just logic. By the same token, if we get a significant pullback today down to 58 or 53, 53 is a big level. If we close down around there, then you've got to be looking at some upside off of jobs. Now, I don't game the jobs report. I'm not going to sit in here and tell you what to do in anticipation of jobs. That is a losing proposition over time, and I just don't do it. Tomorrow's webcast will be after 8:30 because it's more important to me that we deal with the aftermath of jobs and the range that the jobs report creates immediately after the announcement, because that range tends to be instructive for the trading day. Okay, so just be aware, tomorrow's jobs, I wouldn't make any big bets ahead of the jobs report because you don't know what the big fish are going to do with it. You don't know if they're going to like it or not like it. So be careful gaming that jobs report. Let's do support and resistance. 66.5 is our trade. Upside first, 73, 78, 1283, 1289 quarter, and 1293. On the downside, it starts to bunch up at 1270.25, 1268, and then down to 1263. So, you've got the daily pivot at 70 quarter and the 3-day pivot at 68 even. Those two handles in there could get really choppy. Don't get chopped up in there. So below 63, I've got 1258. 1253 is a big support level. 1249.5, 1247, and 1243. Okay. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader for Mr. Topstep. Trade them well today, and I will see everybody tomorrow after non-farm payrolls. Trade them well.